In this video, we'll talk about word sorting, bullets, numbering, indent function in MS Word. Normally, you might use the this type of function in the Excel, but in the Word there's a different process. There are different steps how to do it. So I have written here several names: America, Apple, Delhi, Egypt. Right now these are in the the alphabetical order. I mean ascending order. So we'll apply those function on these tags. So just I have taken these words, letters for the teaching purpose, and you might have different kind of data when it might be huge or depend on case to case. So you can see here there are several names are given. First of all, you need to select these words. Okay. So I have selected here and then see here the paragraph and then go to the A to Z. So the moment you click on this, that one dialog box will be appeared. So there are various kind of the sorting. Okay. The sorting by the see the paragraph, heading, and field one, right? There are various kind of the sorting are given here. So you can choose here the header row or no header. Okay. Then you can see here the text and number and date. So because I have that few words, so I'll select the text. You can select the number as well if you have that number, data or date. So there are two options given here: ascending and descending. So it's already in the ascending order, so I'll change it. So descending, and then okay. So you can see the descending order. The V is on top and then followed with O, J, and we can change it as well. So we can change into the a random, so that it can give you exact function of this sorting. So what I did, just see that I have mixed up these words. So and I'll summarize. So you can see I'll take it just bottom in. So you can see here I have just reshuffled those words, and neither in ascending or nor in descending order. So again I'll select these words, again go to the A to Z sort, and then select the ascending order. Okay. So see, now these are the in ascending order. See, America, Apple, Delhi. So alphabetically. If I'll change it and then go to again descending order. So see, this is the sorting like the MS Excel. Come to the bullet. Okay, what is a bullet? Bullet mean wherever you want to list down some steps, and so there are various kind of bullet available in this group. Okay, this is the group, and which is under the home tab. Okay, so you can go here and see these are the various kind of bullet. The moment I hovering this my cursor, and this bullet are getting changed. So these are the fancy bullet. If you want to put some number, then that's okay. So the number also available like the 1 2 3 and with bracket and Roman word, a small ABCD, and whatever you want, you can choose the numbering based on your need or your choice. So this is how you can apply the numbering on your words and lines, and these are just word. And if you have the data like this, the long sentence, and put into the your a letter or any contractual letter, so then you can also apply like this. Indents. What is the indent function? So normally people indent relate to the shopping or the purchasing in the industries. So then I'll select these words again and go to this. You can see here increase indent and decrease indent. So you might have faced this problem whenever you apply the bullet and then text goes left to right. See like this. The moment I click on this icon, your text is moving left to right, and you can summarize your data based on your need and demand and choice. See, the moment I'll put the click on left icon, so see, you can decrease your space from left hand side. So this is the way you can apply incident on your the data letters whatever you are going to be typing. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.